talk about how can you fix this problem on your Shortmax app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here. So when you click here on settings, it's going to take you to settings list here. It's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You go down here, then you click here on apps. Then you come to apps list here, and here you're looking for Shortmax, or just click on search. Then here add Shortmax, it's going to show for you like this. Click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Click on here on for stop. Then you click on OK. So then you go down, just click on storage. Come to storage list here. Just click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store here. So you click here on Play Store. Then you search here for Shortmax. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here update. Click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.